In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make banner in Inkscape. Let's get started by launching Inkscape on your desktop. When it opens, you'll be greeted by a blank canvas, exactly what we need to design a clean, readable banner. First, set up the document so your layout and scaling are correct. Go to File, then Document Properties. In the page settings, change the units to inches and set the size to 12 by 3.6 inches. This compact format is great for designing at a manageable size while keeping the proportions of a wide banner. Remember, banners are meant to be read from several feet away, so we'll make design choices that favor quick, easy readability. For typography, choose heavy, sans-serif fonts such as Impact, Bebas Neue, or Montserrat. These fonts have strong shapes that hold up well at a distance. Keep your text short and purposeful. Think of a banner as a headline with supporting details, not a paragraph. Use high contrast to help your message pop. Dark text on a light background, or light text on a dark background, is the safest bet. Avoid thin scripts or low-contrast combinations like pale yellow on white, which get lost under bright lighting or from far away. Keep the layout simple and focused. Aim for one main headline, one sub-headline such as a date or website, and one clear logo. Establish a visual hierarchy by making the headline the largest element, the sub-headline smaller, and the logo distinct but not dominant. Leave breathing room around each element. Negative space helps legibility more than extra decoration. If you want to bring in a background image or supporting graphic, go to File and choose Import. Select your image and place it on the canvas, then scale it thoughtfully. Be mindful of quality. A photo that looks fine on your phone may appear blurry on a large banner. Look for high-resolution images or vector graphics, and zoom in to 100% or more to check sharpness before committing. When you're ready to deliver your file, export it in a printer-friendly format. Most banner printers prefer a high-quality PDF. Go to File and choose Save a Copy, then select Portable Document Format, .pdf. In the PDF options, set the resolution for raster effects to 300 dpi. If you designed at a reduced scale, consider using a higher dpi so any effects hold up when printed full size. Finally, enable Convert Text to Paths so your fonts won't change on another computer. That's it, your banner is set up, legible, and ready for print.